Michael J. Bidart is one of the nation's leaders in HMO litigation and bad faith insurance practices. Currently the managing partner of Shernoff, Bidart, Echeverria, LLP, Mr. Bidart leads the firm's groundbreaking HMO litigation and property casualty departments. He approaches each case with unparalleled devotion to his clients in an effort to ensure that each client rightfully receives the healthcare services they deserve.
He has not only character, but charisma, and I call him Mr. Integrity because he is just such a wonderful person that you can rely on for almost anything.
Anyone that knows Michael Bidart knows of his great pride in his Basque heritage. And now that I have become fluent in Basque, I thought it only fitting to honor Mike tonight with the use of a great Basque proverb. So here it goes, Mike. Bihotzien, Degoina, Meda, Ateritzen, Da. What is in the heart comes to the tongue. And I think that, more than anything, describes the person that Michael Bidart is.
He is just an outstanding lawyer who exemplifies all of the traits that this award that is given to the champion of justice deserves.
His passion has led to numerous landmark decisions against HMOs and other insurance companies, including a $120.5 million verdict against Aetna over its refusal to pay for care recommended by the health plan's own physicians, and more than $300 million in recovery for the victims of the 1994 Northridge earthquake.
Mike would deserve to be called a champion of justice because he has a lifetime of achievement in bringing justice to people that wouldn't otherwise get it.
He serves a real need. There was one particular need, and that's the manner in which insurance companies treat people. And believe me, he has rectified an awful lot of wrongs in that regard.
He's helped us in developing the law of bad faith, insurance bad faith, which is so vital to not only consumers and lawyers, but being in the forefront of developing a body of law is something that is very unique, and I'm just so happy that Mike has been with me in that journey.
Mr. Bidart is considered a powerhouse by his peers and holds a reputation in the legal community for his honesty and dedication.
My experience working with Mike Bidart is that he's prepared, he's imaginative, and he's a gentleman in all things.
Mike Bidart's career has been filled with many landmark cases. In State Farm v. Superior Court, Mike led the way and helped the court find that 17,200 unfair business practices applies to insurance companies in this state.
Mr. Bidart's talent as a litigator defies boundaries. He has been named as one of California's most influential lawyers by the National Law Journal, American Lawyer, and California Lawyer magazine. Both Law and Politics magazine and the Los Angeles magazine have named him a top 100 super lawyer from 2004 through 2011. Mr. Bidart was recently named the Cal Aboda 2011 Trial Lawyer of the Year by the American Board of Trial Advocates.
One of the things I look forward to, and I know I have a case that involves Mike Bidart, is that it'll be well presented. And I know if Mike's on the case, I know two things. One, it's probably a significant case, and number two, it's going to be well presented.
I lean on him for many, many things. I have a photograph that I have that depicts my relationship with Mike. They say a photograph is worth 1,000 words. Well, this is a photograph of me leaning on Mike's shoulder, which I do a lot, and this says everything about our relationship.
And he has a reputation unparalleled in this city, in this state, and I think probably the nation. Loyola Law School has chosen a real champion of justice. Mike Bidart, you deserve it. Congratulations, my friend.
I also want to congratulate Mike Bidart. When I was serving as president of the foundation, Mike was one of our first trustees. And Mike Bidart, as you know in this room, is somebody that when you turn to and ask something to happen, Mike makes it happen. So Mike, congratulations also to you and for the time you served for Aboda and the trustee on Aboda. What a great opportunity you afforded all of us.
For his tireless service toward ensuring that patients receive the medical services they need and deserve, His commitment to exposing bad faith practices that deprive people of medically necessary care, and his relentless dedication to the right to a trial by jury and consumer advocacy, we honor Michael J. Bidart as our champion of justice.